Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use presets for night photography in Lightroom app. So all you have to do is open up the Lightroom app on your phone and then select any night images that you want to edit. So for me I'll choose this one. So open up the image and now tap on the edit button over here so that you can start editing the picture. So first up, we want to edit the exposure of this picture. So go over to the light panel over here and then increase the exposure by 40. So the image looks a lot more brighter. So and the stars will look more visible. And then now increase the contrast by around 26. And then decrease the highlights by around 35. 6. And now increase the shadows by 14 and increase the whites by 20 and decrease the blacks by around 34. You can see the stars pops out more and then the overall the Milky Way looks more visible without the stars being too blurred out. And now what you have to do is go over to the color panel and decrease the temperature to around 22 and then increase the tint by around 8. The night sky looks more clearer and then the orange light has been removed. And now what you have to do is go over to the effects panel over here and increase the texture by 10 and then increase the clarity by 20 so that the galaxy structure looks more defined, and then increase the dehaze by 30. Now return to the color panel and scroll up till you find the mix button and open it. So since there are many blues in this image, select the blue color over here and then decrease the saturation by 10 and decrease the luminance by 14. So now the sky looks more darkened, and now you can go select on aqua and decrease the saturation by 10 so that it removes the noise from the sky. And now tap on orange and increase the saturation by 10. And once you have done that, tap on the done button to save the changes. Okay, now go over to the details panel. So this is the most important part of this edit here. So what you have to do is increase the sharpening by around 40 and now set the radius to 0.8 and details to 20 and then change the masking to 80. So what this does is the stars look more sharpened and not the sky's noise, and it keeps the stars looking sharp and crisp. Now go ahead to the effects section over here and then go over to the vignette. Increase the vignette to 15 so that the edges look more darkened, and then that's it, and this should be enough. So if you tap and hold on the image, you can see the before button and you can see a huge difference in the before and the after image. The sky looks more cleaner and darker, and the dust lane in the middle looks more visible, and the stars also look more natural. And yeah, that's it for the video today. If you have any questions, then you can leave them down in the comments below and I'll be answering them. And if this video has helped you, then please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.